Hey, Mark.
Hey, am I glad to see you guys?
How's it going? Brought my dad with me.
Great.
We definitely need the help.
Yeah?
And these jambs really stand out. They're beautiful.
Thanks.
But
Thanks.
you're not making it easy on me to hang doors, are you?
I kind of knew that, yeah.
But I know you have all the materials, and I know you're putting a slider on the rear. That's a little easier. You want to start with that?
Yeah, let's get going out there.
All right.
Nathan, I love the heavy-duty look of these rails, man.
Yeah, these things are really rugged. They're going to work perfect for what you want to do.
Great.
So to break it down, you have the rails.
Okay.
And then we have these rollers on these brackets, and these are going to get mounted to the door, and then they're just going to slide right in place. These rails are set up to go. If you want to bring them over, I'll mount the brackets, and then we'll be right behind you.
All right.
To me.
Down. Good. Down. Good.
Beautiful. Hey, you guys are here.
Yeah, what's going on?
How's it going?
We figured you guys could use a hand, so we came back to help throw in.
Just before lunchtime, huh?
Yeah, we know how to time it.
Hey, we're about to set these doors, and we're thinking about doing a pressure-treated jam on it. It's going to help a lot because this granite's all over the place.
Yeah, it's all over the place, across the header too. How you going to attach them?
Probably some threaded wedge bolts. Some wedge
yeah.
bolts. We'll set them right in on the high point.
Yeah. Well, we could also do it in a threaded rod.
Yeah.
Put it in epoxy, put a nut, a washer, then put the jam against it and
Yeah.
another nut and washer on the outside. That'll give us the flexibility to plumb it up in place.
I like that idea. We're definitely going to need a lot of help plumbing this.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Well, let's get started.
Sounds good.
Let's go.
So we've got a nut and a washer on this side. Hold the nut and screw this up inside.
Bring it in, I'll get the pin in.
You got it?
All right. Look at that.
Not so bad, huh?
Not at all.
Pretty good.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey guys,
come to check your lighting.
I wanted to see the lighting at night, and I guess it's a good thing we turned it on, seeing you're working a little bit late.
Yeah, it's been a long day, but we got Mark's doors in.
They look beautiful. It's worth it.
Yeah, they look
Mark,
great.
what do you think? You happy?
Am I happy? I almost want to be a chicken right now. I mean, if I could live like this,
Yeah,
lay golden eggs.
they got it made.
If you're a chicken, I'm passing on the eggs. All right, well, nice job, everybody. And that is a wrap for us. So until next time, when the chickens come home, I'm Kevin O'Connor for all of us on Ask This Old House. Hey, chicken boy, in you go.
Hey,
in you
hey.
go.
Hey, that's great, though. Really nice.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.